Good afternoon. My name's Tom Brinsnoff, Certified Master Mechanic from Reading, Pennsylvania. And today, I'm going to briefly talk about how long it takes to paint a car. Now, we're not going to include all the time it takes, the extensive time it takes to cover all your lenses, your windshield wipers, all your glass. The prep time alone is an experienced person will take hours to do. An experienced person prepping a car will probably take a couple hours, 3-4 hours to properly tape everything off. But an experienced tech that's painting a vehicle can usually spray it in 45 minutes to an hour, hour and a half. It really is not too much for somebody that does it on a routine basis. But for an experienced person to paint a vehicle, an inexperienced person to paint a vehicle, I would say it would probably take you relatively a couple hours, 3 most. One thing I don't recommend doing if you got this thought in your head is to use spray paint. It's okay to touch up a small area, but to paint a whole vehicle with a whole bunch of spray cans, you'll probably use 30, 40 cans, and you really don't want to go down that road. That's about it. I mean, it takes you a couple hours to paint your vehicle. It's really not that bad.